Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and if you have seen any of my previous videos, you may already know that I am a Pleiadian channel. So in these point of view videos, I'm going to be sharing some shortened messages from the Pleiadians who are helping us through the ascension process right now. And as I have been working with them more and more closely, they are starting to share some things that I think will be very beneficial to the awakened community. So I'm going to start to share more of their guidance and messages with you guys. So you will know these videos by the new thumbnail. So look for the Pleiadian POV thumbnail, and you'll know when you see that you're getting a new message from our Pleiadian friends to help us through the months and weeks ahead of us. So what I wanted to share from the Pleiadians today is something that they have been telling the awakened community that we can expect over the coming month. So as y'all know, over the past really year and a half, 2 years, the energies hitting the planet have been beyond intense. And so as members of the awakened community, a lot of people have been struggling with the physical body, feeling very uncomfortable. And what we're noticing is these energies are coming faster and harder than they ever have. So whereas a few years ago, we would get a blast of these energies and then have a couple months to integrate it into our bodies, we don't have that anymore. We are getting constantly bombarded by both galactic energy and the intense solar energy. So the Pleiadians wanted to talk to us a little bit about these energies and what we can expect from them. Now, the first thing the Pleiadians have been talking about to me recently is, of course, to tell us, and they've shared this in a couple of videos, that these energies are only getting stronger. So we are not going to see that lovely lag time we used to have where we had a leisurely couple of months to let our physical bodies catch up. So what the guides have said is that these energies are going to continue to intensify. But there's a good news here this time. So a lot of people, and especially a lot of the clients I have been working with over the past week or two, have been feeling particularly beat up in the physical body. Even people who don't get a lot of ascension symptoms, have really been struggling in the body lately. And so what the guides have said is, of course, over the past week or so, we've had unusually intense solar energy. But what the guides have said is going to happen in the next couple of weeks is that the awakened community, so people who have been doing their inner work for a long time, who have really been working to do their shadow work, purge their density, heal what needs to be healed. If you've been doing your inner work, the guides say that you can start to expect these energies to feel very differently. So whereas over the past couple of years, these energies have really taken their toll. I mean, they have been pretty brutal on a lot of us, especially as light workers and starseeds. We tend to be very sensitive to energy to begin with. So that is what has created this firestorm of discussion on our information platforms on social media of people talking about ascension symptoms and reporting how these energies are affecting their physical bodies. And this has been going on for a while. But what we are starting to notice is that the guides are saying that these energies are going to start to be processed very differently in our physical bodies than they have been for the past year and a half. So whereas they have for a while now been kind of rough, kind of bumpy, a little spicy, they're going to start to feel blissful. They are going to start to feel like excitement. And I'm actually starting to already feel this. And I'm seeing the change the Pleiadians are talking about. So if you are someone who has been feeling a little pummeled lately, what the guides are saying, they want to encourage us that that is going to be changing. So we are going to be able to process these energies much more comfortably through our physical bodies. Now, again, it's always a great practice as we move through the ascension process to use your energy protection tools as much as you can. So grounding, super helpful for this. Energy protection tools, very, very helpful for this. But the guides have said, the Pleiadians have shared that we're going to start to notice that these energies feel incredible. They are going to be energies of bliss, energies of excitement, energies of exhilaration. So we're actually going to start to look forward to these solar flares rather than being like, oh God, here comes another one. So this is something they told us that we're going to start to see in the next month. So I thought that was really great news. I wanted to share that with you guys, especially if you're kind of feeling it in the body right now, and a lot of people are. So the guides have said that humanity has, especially the awakened community, has purged enough density that we're going to start processing the energies very differently. They're going to start to feel good to us. They are going to start to give us energy, give us fuel. And so that is something exciting that we have to look forward to in the coming weeks. And I just wanted to pop in and share that with you. I'll see you soon. Bye.